Hey everybody, so this is the review of English. Just had a moment there, and I literally stopped the video, do all the questions, and then turn it back on or check the answer key. Because at this point, you've done enough, you should know these off by heart. Okay? We've got the flip, the not, and the flip, not. All right, here we go. If I am Cree, then I am First Nation. Okay, so the converse, the flip. If I am Cree, whoops, I'm just rereading it. If I am First Nation, then I am Cree. All right. So you gotta be careful. When you go to do the inverse, you gotta make sure you go back to the original statement. And this is not. I am not Cree. Sorry, all my Cree friends out there. Not Nation. Okay. Now my contrapositive, I need to split not. If I, okay, this part's gotta come first, and I have to have a not. First Nation. Yeah. I'm not in there again, and Cree. All right, let's see. If I am Cree, then I'm First Nation. That's true. If I am First Nation, then I'm no. Right? It could be something else. It could be Lakota, Dakota, Nakota. If I am not Cree, then I am no. Yeah, and if I'm not Cree, I still could be Lakota. False. And if I am not First Nation, then I am not Cree. That's true. And see, we're getting that nice pairing that we talked about before. If my conditional is true, then my contrapositive is going to be true. If the Riders win every game this season, they will be number 1. Okay. Now, if I want to go backwards to my conditional, if this was my flip, then I need basically to flip it there. If they will be for 1. First. The Riders win. This. That's pretty awkward, and I wish I had left more room. All right, so I'm with my conditional here. If they will not be in the West. Riders in. contrapositive. So we're going to take this one and we're going to flip it. If the riders do not win every game, will not number one. I've learned my lesson. I will not give you something that long on your test. All right. If they are number one in the West, then the Riders won every game. That's false. They might not win every game and still be number one. If the Riders win every game this season, then they will be number one. I think that's true. If they do, they will not be, are not number one in the West, then the Riders did not win every game. No, that's true. And the contrapositive, if the Riders do not win every game this season, then they will not be number one in the West. No. So again, look at how they match. And these two. So if you find that they're all turning out the same or something like that, or you're not getting this matching, just double check your wording. All right, last one. If the puppy is not a male, then it is a female. Okay. So this is a tricky one. So my inverse is my not. So I still want the male part here and the female there, but I want to get rid of the not. If a puppy is male, okay, I got to do a not. So that negates it. Then not female, okay. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to flip it. Not female. Puppy is male. Last one, contrapositive. So it's a flip not. Okay, so this part has to come at the beginning, and I have to get rid of the not. But truthfully, I can just take this one and flip it. Female. Then yes. No, then puppy. Not male. Oh, you know what? That's true. And it's true. It's true. It's all true. Because this is biconditional. So what was a pairing sign? We wrote that up. Whoopsies. Sorry, guys. There we go. Sorry. All right, if the conditional statement is true, then it's the conditional and the contrapositive that always go together. All right, so we have the contrapositive, and then if the inverse, it is the converse. All right. All right, look, I keep forgetting to mention them. There's some homework for you. Right, that is the last video in this chapter.